Here's how you can use VCV Rack 2.5.2 to make a synthesizer that will use your keyboard as an input. So press enter and get an audio output. So you can hear what you're doing in VCV Rack. That's what you need this. Select a device and select speaker here. So you can just select your audio input device here, or your output device rather. Now you need a amplifier. So I'm going to use VCA, and then you need a VCO. This thing is what generates the sound that you're going to be playing. So you can play around with the frequency and stuff. And then you need a ADSR. You don't need this, but I use this because I like things that sound nice. And you get a MIDI to CV device, and then select keyboard and mouse, and that's the setting that you need to do. So now that we have these 5 things, what you need to do is wire them up. So this is the voltage and pitch output. You click on this, and then you drag to plug this to wherever you want. If I plug this here, I will hear nothing. But if I play something on the keyboard, I will hear some sort of a noise, which is not necessary at this moment. But take this output and plug it into the input of your VCO, of your oscillator. So you just matched the VCO labels. Then take your gate output to the gate input of your ADSR. Take your envelope output and plug that to the CV input. This is your control voltage input. So if I play something, it will sound like this. Sounds like nothing because you have to take the sine wave and plug that into the channel input, and then this channel's output goes into the mono of this channel. So if I play something now, I'll hear a sound. You can change the frequency to be a lower frequency. This is the pitch knob on a synthesizer. Like that. And now you can use a if you want to reset the knob. This works on any of the knobs in VCV Rack. You double click on the knob. See how it went straight up? That also should go straight up. If you want to hear chords, you right click here and click on polyphony channels and select whatever number. I'm going to select 8. That means if I press 8 keys, 8 sounds will play. Any more than that will not play, I think. That's how it sounds like. You can turn it down a little bit. Let's make the attack a little higher. So yeah, that's how you use VCV Rack to make a simple synthesizer. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions in the comments, please do ask. Demo of what this synthesizer would sound like. If you know the name of this song, write it down in the comments below. You will get a free cookie from me.